A source measure unit, or SMU, is like a multi-purpose pocket tool that performs multiple functions, but for your bench. It's a 5-in-1 instrument that integrates the capabilities of a power supply, digital multimeter, or DMM, current source, electronic load, and a pulse generator into a single, tightly coupled, highly synchronized instrument. SMUs have become an indispensable tool for R&D and manufacturing for well-established test applications, including IV characterization, and are also used in testing semiconductors and nonlinear devices and materials. With a single SMU, you can precisely source and measure voltage and/or current at the same time. An SMU can source and measure across a current range from 100 femtoamps to 50 amps, and a voltage range from 100 nanovolts to 3 kilovolts with 6.5 digits of measurement resolution. And an SMU can measure resistance versus current or voltage directly or indirectly. By using an SMU instead of multiple instruments, you'll save time by eliminating complex test station development, setup, maintenance, synchronization issues, and connection troubleshooting. A single SMU can save you up to 75% of workspace and reduce the number of cables and test leads needed by up to 60% in a typical setup. More workspace and fewer test leads minimizes errors and makes you more productive. SMUs offer built-in, easy-to-use features to help you maximize speed and get jobs done more quickly. And Keithley SMUs, with their Test Script Processor or TSP technology, can run production tests as much as 60% faster and provide as much as 10 times throughput gain improvements compared with traditional programming techniques. Overall, using just one SMU versus multiple instruments can save thousands of dollars and lower total cost of ownership too. To learn more and for help in choosing the SMU that's right for you, visit the Source Measure Unit Leader at www.tek.com/SMU.